What's up, y'all? Look, it's a little different, as you can see. Welcome to my channel if you're new. If not, welcome back. Thank you for the support and coming back. Yes, thank you for all of that, and thank you for my new people who are here. I hope that you like the content and decide to stay. So hit the subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications so you can keep up to date with everything that I do. So this look is going to be mainly focused on this eye right here. It's out of my comfort zone. No golds over here, no bronze, just bam, blue in your face. So I hope you guys like this look because I'll be playing around in colors some more. So let's not keep this intro too long. Let's go. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and jump right into the eyes. As you can see, I did my face already for the most part. Still got a little bit to do. So first color that we're going to do is for the crease color, and we'll go into the Colourpop Bare Necessities palette. We're going to go into the Colourpop Bare Necessities palette, and we're going to go in with the color Tabloid, which is a nice deep brown color to start us off. I'm going to go right in there. Always start off with a little bit and then build up. Okay, once I get the color to my desired want, I'm most likely going to go back into it as I add colors just to make sure it doesn't get lost. So, how I make that nice blue and the pink pop, I'm going to do the blue in another video. I'm sorry, I'm going to do the pink in another video. I'm doing the blue right now. I use a good eyeshadow primer. So I like to use the NYX, and it's this cream color eyeshadow primer, and I like this because it makes the color stick and stand out. I used to do white, but this works just as well. And I'm not gonna set it with any powder because I want this to be tacky so that it will stick where I want it. I'll go in with my finger and just blend out the edges. Alright, and for the blue shade, I used two colors. So I went in with the Jaclyn palette with Morphe collab, and I used this color as a base, then I put this color on top. So let's go ahead and do that, and I went in with my fingers because it just made the color pop just a little bit more. See? Hope you can see that. This is exactly why I always do my eyes first, for that reason. So now I'm gonna put a little bit on the brush of the blue color and blend out the edges just to take the color up a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that shimmer shade right here. It's just a darker color, and putting that on top. Nope, I was mistaken. I went in with this color right here. Sorry. Just to make it, there we go. Shimmer. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of a tighter fluffy brush just to get a little bit more into that socket. And going back into that Bare Necessities palette, going back into the deep brown shade and just cleaning up the edges. This look I did not use as many colors because I just wanted the blue to be the star, like that. Okay, and to finish off the eye, all I did was take the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in the color Blackest Black, I believe. Very black, sorry. And just line my waterline. Liquid liner. Alright, so I finished the eye look by finishing the eyeliner. You know, I had to do that off camera because I had to concentrate. And I still messed up my wing, but we gonna keep moving. And then I threw on some lashes and some mascara. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the lip. I'm gonna go ahead and use the NYX liner in the color brown. Yes, brown. color because the lips are already, the eyes are already bam in your face. I'm gonna keep the lips nice and muted. And then I want to go on top of that and mute it even so slightly more with the color Brownie lip gloss. That Brownie man. Put a little on and sheer it out. Put some more on, give it more color. It's very versatile, y'all. I kind of put too much on because I lost my lip, so hold on. Let me bring my lip back. Okay, and so this is the final look for the blue eyeshadow that I did. The eyeshadow itself was pretty simple. I literally just did 3 colors. Ooh, hold on. In the corner highlight. In the corner highlight. Ooh. Almost forgot my highlight right here. Yeah, please, just to brighten it up just a little bit, just a smidge. Make sure to blend it into the eyeshadow so it's not just a shimmer color just sitting there. So, okay, now it's the final look. So, like I said, it was just pretty simple. 3 colors plus 4 if you want to count the inner corner highlight. And yeah, this was it. I kept the lips pretty simple with the brown liner, a nice peach lipstick, and brownie points on top of that. So I hope you guys liked it. I'm going to be playing in color a little bit more. Make sure that you subscribe, hit that notification bell, because next colorful look will be a nice bold pink eye. So, and I didn't show my base, but as you can see, if you can tell or cannot tell, I did do a different foundation routine. So if you want to know what I did to get this nice canvas look, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do an updated foundation routine for y'all. So thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to put some other videos up next for you to watch. So don't go nowhere, it's more.